Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to extract a day name from a date in Power BI. So let's start. I've got this Power BI file open here with me and I'll go to the modeling tab and create a new table called DimaDate. So I call it DimaDate is equal to, and then here we will define. So I'll just create the date dimension using the CALENDARAUTO function. And what it does is it scans our model and finds the minimum and the maximum date and builds a dimension based on that date range. So I'll just show you. So it's the lowest date it's found is 1st of January 2003, and if we sort descending, you'll see that it has the last date it could find was 31st December. So it's created a date dimension with all these fields. So we've got from the 1st of January 2003 to 31st of December 2014. So we've got all the days in that range. And now we want to add, now we want to extract the day name from here. So what we need to do is we'll just use the Addcolumns function. And we'll give this new column a name. So we'll call it day name, or we can just call it day. And we'll use the format function for this. So we pass the date. So to access the date fields created by the CALENDARAUTO function, we open the square bracket, we type date, and then we close the square bracket, and then we specify the format. In this case, it will be dddd, and we'll close the quotes, close the brackets, and close the brackets once more, and hit enter. And you can see that it is giving the name of the day in the day column. So like it starts with Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and it just rolls on from there. So in this video, just to recap, we've learned how to enhance the date dimension and add the day name in the date dimension. I'll also add this tax code to the video notes so you can copy this code and follow along. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.